not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey y'all, it's Nicole, and I'm back with another very easy, simple, and quick Amazon wig tutorial using this Amazon full frontal wig. So y'all stay tuned and keep watching. So this video today is very quick and easy for y'all. So first, I just start off by cutting off my ear tabs and having my baby hairs parted out already. Of course, I did bleach and pluck the knots of this wig off camera, so that's why the hairline looks plucked already and it is already bleached. That is the first step of this, and then you're going to cut off your ear tabs, part out where you want your baby hairs if you want baby hairs. And then now I'm just parting out my sideburns. And I'm putting makeup on my wig because I forgot to put makeup on it before this clip. Did my bald cap method, got makeup on my bald cap, and then I'm just adding the makeup to my wig where I forgot to add the makeup and making sure that it matches my forehead and my skin tone. Then I'm going in with my even lace spray and I'm spraying my hairline, and y'all, that stuff was burning so bad. Like, my hairline was cut up from doing that bald cap. Alright, and then I cut my baby hairs to kind of get them on my face, and I blow dried this hair. Look how good this looks. Now, this wig wasn't super full, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. A lot of these Amazon wigs aren't super full, and this one wasn't, but once I blow dried it, it was looking so good. I was like, I might just wear it like this. Then I'm going in and I'm just straightening the hair and straightening every section and using my comb to also help comb through the hair while I'm straightening it. And this was just one of the quickest installs I've ever done. Like, I don't know what it was about this install that was like so fast, but y'all, you could literally install your wig this quick. Like, this literally took me no time. And this video is short, and even when I was filming this, like, it didn't take me long at all to do this wig install.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, y'all, so all I did was straighten my hair off camera and take off the band, and this is what it's looking like so far. It's definitely giving scalp, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this lace and curl my baby hairs. And yeah, y'all, this was a really easy install. So now I'm taking my Re-Nutrients wax stick and I'm hot combing the top of my head to make sure that it's super flat. I like my installs to look really flat, and this took no time as well. Super flat. And do y'all see how the front of the wig looks? Look at the hairline. It literally looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Like, this wig looks so freaking good, y'all. Bleaching and plucking your wig good can take your install so far. Like that, I feel like it's half of the install. And y'all saw once I put the wig on, it already looked like it was halfway done because I bleached and plucked it very well. And that just makes the install so much easier. Now I'm just swooping my baby hairs, and I do curl my baby hairs. So I'm gonna take this, cut the edges down a little bit more. Curl them. Spray a little bit of this.
again.
And this install is almost done that fast, y'all. This video honestly went so fast. Like, I didn't expect the video to be this short, but this install was so quick and easy. Boom. And here I'm just adding layers to the hair using my little razor comb thing. That thing works so good. Like, go to y'all beauty supply and get y'all one of those, because that works so good for cutting your hair. And look right here, the flat iron wasn't even on. It's unplugged. So I'm just bumping my ends a little bit, and y'all, the install looks so good like this, right? And after this, I went and I added like more baby hairs to the front of the hairline. That's hot. Into the middle and everything. And honestly, I could have left it how it was because it looks so good like this, but you know, I just had to be extra and add more baby hairs, and it still ended up looking really good. But honestly, I could have left it just like this and it would have looked fine. I kind of wish I left it like this, but yeah, it still turned out really bomb. And y'all let me know if y'all be watching my videos. Do y'all like these voiceovers? Because sometimes I just be wanting like to leave the tutorial how it is, like with no sound, so y'all could just watch. But I don't be knowing if y'all want to hear like my commentary or anything, because in the past I've done videos without commentary, I've done videos with commentary, and I don't really know like if my commentary is helpful, because I be trying to work on my commentary, you know, and like become a better speaker over these videos and work on my voiceovers, but I don't be knowing if they're actually helpful. So let me know if y'all like the voiceovers, or do y'all just like the videos where there's no sound. Y'all, this right here, this is my style. This is my speed all day. Like, this is my go-to style. A side part like this, a sleek slide. See, I can't even speak English. A sleek side part like this. This is so my speed, y'all. Like, it looks so good every time. And this is how the hair ended up turning out. I went and did my makeup, put on my lashes, put on my little cute fit, and tell me this don't eat. Y'all see what I did with the baby hairs? I did add some more, but I think it still looks really good. And I feel like it kind of looks a little bit more natural now with like the baby hairs, the shorter baby hairs in the front. But this is the install, and these are just clips of me with the hair in. Like I said, this wig was not the thickest I've had, the thickest straight wig I've had, but I mean, for the price it is, it's a steal deal, and it turned out so cute. The hair was super soft, full frontal, 10 out of 10 for that. Link to this unit on my storefront. This is the BELEXTENS unit on my storefront in 24 inches. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all so much for the support. I love y'all so much. Make sure you like the video, comment any questions or comments you have, and don't forget to subscribe, y'all, for more videos like this. Love y'all. Bye.